that's fine. So people always ask what this is. It's a vibrator or a massager. It brings a lot of blood to the area. It's not a sander, as people keep calling it. It's not a sander, YouTubers. We already adjusted his low back. We start out with the pelvis, and then we adjusted L4-5. He's already had huge relief. He came in from Yelp. He's what you call a crack addict. Getting relief already? Give me a thumbs up if you are from what I've done so far. Yeah, so far so good. So I like trying to get the patient relaxed a little bit more. He's pretty tight in there. He's a mechanic, works on strikers. I like going down the IT band, the hamstrings. We're doing a little bit of traction here. I like to place my hand right at the base of the skull or the occiput and right on the sacrum, and he can definitely feel it deeper. You okay? Deeper traction throughout the spine. Then I work on what's called the paraspinals by bringing my hands across the shoulder blade, just like this. And then I like to get nice and deep into the lumbar spine right through here. So actually my hand position starts going up on each of the spinuses. So I'm right at L5 sacrum. Now I'm at L4 and 3, 2, and 1. Now we'll increase the depth on it for him a little bit. We'll do a little side-to-side position here to open up the facet as well as the areas. So I'm going right in by the QL muscle right here to help relax that. Pretty tender, isn't it? You okay? I think we lost him, folks. So this is what the military guys do on their vacation. They sit around watching YouTube. I used to be a chiropractor at Madigan.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I want you to move your body down this way. Good, just like that. We're going to work on the mid-spine right through here by crossing the arms over. Tender right there, isn't that? That's where your problem is, right there. Breath in, blow out. Should I like put on video how he hurt himself? Feel good? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
He might
Big
fall
breath.
asleep.
And what happens is that when patients get adjusted like this, you finally feel like a sense of relief. But there's what we in chiropractic share a lot of endorphins and enkephalins, and chemicals start moving around the body. It's almost like you get more relaxed. You feel good. You feel better. Because you're opening up the most important organ we're working with is your nervous system. And so by adjusting that area, those nerves start to talk to cells and tissues, organs, muscles. He actually hurt himself doing shrugs. You know the guys are going to give you a hard time. Okay, we're going to make an adjustment right at C6, 7. There it is. Good. We're going to do a traction. Lift your head. Back down. All right. Feet down for me. I adjust full spine, full body, especially when people have. Did you feel all that starting to release in there? Good job. Good job. And then pull yourself back up that way. And since he works with his hands a lot and his body a lot, we're going to adjust the hands. 26 bones in the hand. I'm going to make sure some of the primary areas are moving for him. Checking the olecranon, the ulna, radius right there. And on both sides, you can feel your wrist releasing already. You okay? You lefty or righty, you said?
I'm all right.
Did you have an injury to this one? Feel it all releasing there? Yep, good job. Let's have you sit up, face the left for me. Look at the difference. Do you see it already? Just with the little bit we did? That's about a 50% improvement already. So we talked about what was called his forward head translation, forward head posture. Nice and straight, arch here. And his, when he first came in, the head was at least forward, at least about 4 inches. Now it's about 2. And you want to see the alignment of the ear with the shoulder, but because his shoulders roll forward so much, we got some work to do. And that's because he tends to do his work in a downward position a lot, or he's on the computer. And that will, anybody that's on a computer, you okay? Or on technology all the time, we lose that healthy and normal posture in our bodies. So this is another tool that I use, like he has tools that he uses to help adjust people. I'm going to go right on this area here. Do you feel that? You okay? Okay. Breath in for me. And out. Hold that. Breathe. We're going to adjust Atlas. That's not too hard on you, is it? We're going to adjust right back at L4 and 5 right here again. We already addressed that. We missed it on the video. His wife was so kind to video for us here. Deep breath through your nose, out through your mouth. So be aware of your posture. I think the number one thing that you can do when you're not seeing me, I actually have this on my tip videos. So you take your hands behind your back like this, like parade rest. Shoulder blades retracted like this, extend the head back like this. If you want to add a little bit more, stretch back. That will help change some of the posture in your shoulders as well as your head position. Do it whenever you think of it throughout the day. Once an hour. It's really huge, even before you do a run or a workout, just that simple stretch educates your body to a better posture. So anything in alignment is going to run smoother. You know that. That's what we just did. What do you think?
I feel really good.
Way better?
Yeah.
Good. Anything you want to say to the camera?
Dr. Warwick is awesome. You should come here.
Good job. Thank you.
Good job. Thank you, Doc.
You're welcome.